Ecash coin holders, so many congratulations my brothers to the Ecash coin price will increasing, and definitely it's really great news for all Ecash coin holder my brother, with the price will increasing now. But definitely my friend, I have a good news for all of you my friend. On 5th November especially, I am going to explain, but kindly subscribe this channel if you are new my channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification. This is very important, you will subscribe. If you want to earn money from crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much my brothers. The Ecash coin price, as you can see, is 0.0000174 USD dollar, but 6.33% in last 24 hours. The cash price is increasing, so I sorry my friend, Ecash coin price is increasing, so I think this is really good news for all of you my friend. If we check out my friend, this time the highest price in the lowest point, so there is not a big difference. Absolutely the highest price, as you can see my friend, is very good. Now they will increasing, you can see my friend, this time. So there is not a big difference, just in only I think 0.000, there is 15 and here is 18. So don't worry, I hope they will recover it just in only tonight my friends. If we check out the more details about the more crypto market, this is very important. So the Ecash market cap is 6.45% increase now, and there here as you can see 3 billion. So the fully diluted market cap is also 6.45 USD dollar and 3 billion, and volume you can see from last 24 hours 1 billion and 85 million. You can see my friend, increase now very fastly, 70% my friend is the volume is just an only increase now. So this is really great news for all of you my friends. The very huge explosion is coming. This is just an only the update my friend. You can see here the chart result is completely going positive, so that's clear my friends, to the price will increasing now. So this is good. This is the first good news for all of you my friend. And the second good news is that my friends, to after the 5th November 100% my friend, the Ecash coin price will more and more increasing and give you a double to triple profit. So I think don't miss this chance please. If you are miss this chance, absolutely you will lost very badly. So don't miss this chance please. Take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope my friends, to Ecash coin price will very fastly increasing on 5th November. So therefore before 5th November, you will need my friends to starting buying. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.